The brake lever on your Honda CB 750 is bent or broken. In this case mine is bent a little bit, so I want to replace it. And you want to replace it yourself. I will show you how. First you go ahead and remove this knock nut. What did I say? Lock nut. Down here. That locks the screw. Then you go ahead and remove this screw or bolt, whatever it's called. Not so easy with only one hand. Okay, this is screwed out already. I need to pull it. Just pull it out. And then you can remove your lever. Just pull it out. Make sure to clean everything here. Make it nice and clean. And then you can put your lever back. Make sure to put some grease on these moving areas. You can use whatever grease you find. Just have some grease there. Clean this bolt properly. And put some grease on here as well. Put it back in place. And then go ahead and put that bolt or screw or whatever back into position. Tighten this down a little bit, not too much. The lever should move freely, like this. So don't tighten it too hard. And then you put back your lock nut underneath. Don't forget that one, because otherwise this bolt will move out by itself and you want to have that brake lever, believe me. Now I need to counter with the screwdriver here and tighten the lock nut, and I can do it with only one hand. And that's how it's done. Now your new brake lever is installed. Moves freely and everything is fine.